Hi everyone! I'm Rach. I'm an English teacher from Australia. Welcome to my online English program. Here, you can study English in a fun and interesting way. So, how does this program work? Every week, we have an English conversation class on video call. We will talk about many different topics. We will also practice grammar and pronunciation so you can speak English confidently and naturally. There are also English courses in my program. In each course, there are 50 video lessons and worksheets. Here, you will learn English grammar, vocabulary, and skills. There are also grammar quizzes, speaking tests, and writing tests. When you finish a course, you will receive a certificate of completion. I upload new English activities every 2 weeks. So, there's always something to do. I am here every day. So, every day I will check your work and I will give you feedback. If you have any questions or would like to practice English conversation, you can send me a message anytime. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my English program. If you are interested, you can start your 7-day free trial. I'll see you next time. Bye!